Our team has been absolutely amazing. They came in here to make sure that our patients and each other and the whole hospital is safe.
There is an exciting energy when you're rolling into Team A on that first day, and you feel it. Like you said, you can feel it in this building when everybody's kind of getting settled in.
Eric, what do you have for us?
So far, the building is still fully up and running on our traditional municipality supplies of water and for power. We'll continue to monitor that throughout the day, and we'll transfer the generator as soon as we feel we need to do so to prevent the power bumps from happening.
We are attached to Health Park, so we're two sister hospitals that operate separate command centers, but we share a lot of services, and so we have to work together.
They're going to do an assessment of all the buildings and all the roads, and if they do decide that Team A is deactivated and Team B is activated, it's going to be unit by unit.
This time, many of us got very lucky. There's still damage in our area. People still are going to face flooded homes again. But minimal compared to what we went through with Ian and what those north of us are going through. I think we are blessed.